No, your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. This Mansory Stallone GTS, based off of a Ferrari 812 GTS, has a toothpaste aqua fresh interior. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Mansory has unveiled a new modified version of the Ferrari 812 GTS under the name Mansory Stallone GTS. Now, although Ferrari's 812 series was discontinued last year, the German tuner continued to work on this supercar, completing a project that caused quite a bit of controversy in the world of supercars. Now, the standard 812 GTS certainly doesn't need any changes to stand out. However, the tuner did not allow itself to be discouraged by this consideration, opting for a rather bold restyling. The new Stallone GTS stands out for its particularly aggressive aesthetic kit, combined with the mint-colored aqua fresh toothpaste tube kind of interior. Now, let's talk about this, because externally, the Mansory Stallone GTS features several changes: a new front bumper with side blades, a ventilated hood, additional air intakes on the front fenders, new exterior rear view mirrors, and new side skirts. The rear is really quite bold with a vented bumper, a new diffuser that integrates a central brake light, and a large spoiler on the trunk lid. Now, the exhaust pipes and alloy wheels have undergone some changes, and the latter exceeding the original ones in size. Now, the livery is in matte gray with additional carbon fiber components, and the Italian flag motif has been replicated on some components, and you can also find the same theme on the interior, where it decorates the dashboard, central armrests, seats, gear shift paddles, and door panelings. Now, the mint cabin with the Italian flag stripe actually is really what mimics the Aquafresh logo with its three stripes, and obviously the appearance of the green or mint color. Well, yeah, it's crazy. Mansory has stamped his branding on the steering wheel, headrest, footrest, and between the central air vents. And the carbon fiber details complete the visual design of the interior, furthermore enhanced by the white edge floor mats and piping on the seats and door panels that reflect this color scheme. Now, from a performance standpoint, well, there's no official confirmation on the possible increase in power for this version of the Stallone GTS. However, we know that the tuning company normally offers an upgrade for the Ferrari 812 GTS that brings power of the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 to 830 horses and a maximum torque at 740 newton meters compared to the 800 horsepower and 718 newton meters standard. Now, the increase in power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.8 seconds, improving the standard time by 2/10, and the maximum speed is declared to be increasing from 340 kilometers to 345 kilometers. Now, small changes there, but change is change, higher is higher, and I respect that. But do you guys respect this livery? As far as the exterior, which doesn't look that bad to me, but how do you guys feel about the interior? Drop those comments down below. It's definitely it's a bold one. But with that said, what do you guys think? Let me know. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Check out the links in the description. Get the Ron's Rides merch, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.